So what's for dinner tonight? Or I mean dessert?
Dessert. So we did a banana bread. Well, we did it yesterday and I couldn't wait. I just eat some.
But we're putting the icing on tonight.
We did a chocolate nut cream. And we put it on top. I do like it hot, so sometimes I put it on the microwave for 30 seconds.
Nice.
So it's just more like...
And what's unique about this recipe? I think it's gluten-free, right?
Gluten-free. We are using almond flour. We are not using sugar. We're actually using only 3 tablespoons of maple syrup for all these.
Yeah.
So,
and of course, the bananas have a level of sweetness as well, right?
So what else?
And we use cocoa, obviously, too.
We use cocoa and coconut milk, coconut oil. So
So we're gonna put the icing on now.
So yeah, let's check here.
So what did we put in the icing?
So the icing is hazelnut.
So ground up hazelnuts.
Ground hazelnut with we use chocolate like 70% cacao.
And we used a Vitamix, right? There we go. You can see the bread. That's
Guys,
it. Yep.
it is so moist.
And then you can see the icing there.
Icing here, so I just put it here. And hold on a second.
Yep.
Look at this bite.
There we are.
The best.
Is it Guadalupe friendly? Lupe, do you want some? No, I don't think she's allowed. It's got chocolate.
So,
just give her the bananas, I think.
So if you want to share with your pet, just don't put chocolate.
Yeah, it's probably the best to just give her the bananas. Anyway, so that's our dessert recipe. All the steps will be in the description box.
Thanks.